Alright, so what is up everybody? It's your boy CorkyCanStunt here, and we are back with another video. This is something that you guys have not seen in a long time. Not farm fields, I'm talking about motovlogs. It has been a long time since I've done just a regular old style motovlog. The past recent videos that I've done are just ride videos, and I'm gonna go ahead and roll a transition. The energy is high today. I have not made a motovlog like this in a long time. Here recently I've been posting ride videos. That's all I've really been posting. It's super cool. I love going on rides, you guys know that. I gotta be careful coming up to intersections. I've got like no front brake right now. I went like 3 weeks without riding, and then the bike just went to shit. I don't even want to hear one of you say, the bike went to shit when you bought a KTM. Shut up. 400 to 450 hours. This bike's been a trooper. The bike has been absolutely awesome. It makes me want a freshy KTM, but we're gonna wait on that for a little bit. I like making these kind of videos. For one, I know you guys like them, and I enjoy that because they're a lot more interactive this way. These videos also are a lot easier for me to edit than like a ride video, for example. There's a bridge. Skirt. You know what we gotta do when there's a bridge. Gotta hit those daily circles. You ain't getting no gains without no circles. Pretty cool bridge. Alright, well that's cool. But anyway, I got like 4 or 5 different subjects that I'm gonna talk about, kind of touch on. I don't know how long this video is gonna be, but I hope you guys are doing well. I hope your families are doing well. I hope you guys are enjoying the holidays. Thanksgiving just passed. I've got like a couple hours before I gotta be at work. We're gonna try and knock this out real quick, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Oh yeah, check out these new gloves. Troy Lee Designs, patriotic. So I have been riding quite a bit, some off camera, some on camera, and what I've been getting on camera, I've been putting into my arsenal basically. I've got probably 6 to 8 videos that need edited on my computer. Some stuff from Colorado and some stuff still from Utah. I've got some videos riding around town. I've got some supermoto videos. I've got just a variety of different videos. Those are gonna be kind of my reserves whenever the snow starts hitting. I may have like a snow video or 2 coming out. As you guys know, I did that last year. Those of you who watch my videos religiously, you guys really liked it. If you don't watch all of my videos, try one out, see if you guys like it. I try to maintain that same editing style to all my videos. Sometimes I have a lot of fun doing like the enduro videos because well, none of us can ride enduro for shit. When I say enduro, I mean like hard enduro. Yeah, those videos are always hilarious, and they're always hilarious to watch time and time again. But anyway, speaking of videos, I am also wanting to add a vehicle to my collection. This vehicle probably wouldn't be a dirt bike. I'll tell you that now. I've got 2 dirt bikes already. I've got the big 5 Hundo, and I've got the YZ, which I'll give you guys a little sneak peek into one of the next YZ build videos. The YZ is street legal now. I'm gonna be making some videos with that for sure. As for this third vehicle, I've always had 3 bikes, okay? For as long as I can financially afford to, I should say. Son of a bitch. I've got my eye on what bike I want. You know, it's not totally unreasonable. I want it because it's gonna help me make content. I know a lot of you guys are from the how to wheelie video, and I'm wanting to bring more how to wheelie stuff, but I can't just keep doing it on a dirt bike. I know there's a lot of people that's on the FC hype right now. I'm not really too into like ROMs. I used to have a Grom. I used to be able to do figure 8 circles on my Grom. I do want another stunt bike, but with that, you guys can let me know what vehicle you would like to see me on. It could be a quad. If a lot of you guys want it, I'll bring it. I also used to have a TRX 450R, which I used to make videos on. I actually used to make motovlogs on this TRX 450R. The videos are out there. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. And while we're on the subject of videos still, I did add a new camera to my arsenal, and I'll go ahead and tell you what the new camera is. The GoPro Hero 7 is what I'm using right now to record the video that you're watching. It's my main camera. The GoPro Hero 9, I've always had microphone issues and basically can never get the microphone to actually work. I've updated the firmware. I haven't tried it lately, so maybe that the 10s came out now. maybe it would work, but I'm thinking about just selling that camera since I bought this new one. And the GoPro Hero 7 is completely fine for me. The quality is good, it's reliable, and I have several batteries for it, and that's the main thing I like about it. The new camera is just gonna be that little sprinkle on top. But it's what I was talking about with the new generation of motovlogging. You can't survive off of just one camera angle. Way back in the day, you could post about anything and it's gonna do well because it was something new. And now you do kind of need the better technology to stand out from everybody else. I feel like that's shitty to say because it kind of involves, you know, materialistic shit. You could still have a good personality, good content, a crazy riding style, and do well. I'm not saying that's impossible, but if you want that little sprinkle on top, there's a bridge over here. I'm not going this way, but we gotta hit the bridge. Hopefully it's not too gravelly. I can see this going bad. These are some low guardrails. Oh, we doing all right. Doing all right. Front brakes don't work. Thank God for guardrails. If you want that little sprinkle on top, you're gonna have to buy you a GoPro Max. I bought a 360 camera, okay? And I know I can't use it for moto vlogging. I think it'd be cool to have a handlebar mount so I can show you my sick combos. I think it'd be cool for going on adventure rides, just to throw in the video every so often to kind of give a variety of angles. Speaking of adventure rides, there is one more camera that I want to add to my arsenal that would especially excel the adventure riding videos, but it's a pretty pricey one, and it's gonna be a little bit before I can ever think about that. Have you all seen the KTM lately? She's needing some love, not gonna lie. Hold up, we'll get back onto the subject at hand here in a second. Recently added the fork covers, guards, the shock thing. She needs some TLC though. Need another throttle cable. There's a whole different setup that I'm wanting to do with my dash and the cable, so I'm not too worried about that yet. Kind of sucks not being able to keep track of my miles and hours and everything. So yeah, let's get back into riding. Is this still part of the road? I swear this used to be gravel. I bet they're doing some power line work or something. Or no, they're building a home. Or a building anyway. As you can tell, the dirt's a little bit soft, so I'm not trying to go down there, get all muddy right before I have to go to work. I recently bought an iMac laptop to edit on. I've been using iMovie just to edit, and it's actually pretty impressive. I didn't think I was going to be able to do as much as I have been, but the videos are still coming out pretty unique, and it's really cool to see. Something that would be cool to improve on would be to get a better editing software, probably Final Cut Pro. I think it would make my life a little bit easier. I may have to jump on the interstate just to save a little bit of time. But of course, with the new editing software, it's going to take some experimenting, and it's probably going to take a couple videos for me to really learn what I'm doing. Final Cut Pro looks kind of complicated, but it also looks really similar to Sony Vegas that I used to use on my PC. But overall, I think it's alright. The KTM can't cruise the highways. No, it can't do that. Got enough to pass too. Yeah. But yeah, there ain't really a whole lot that I've been up to other than work and riding. I've been getting back into gaming a little bit. I've talked about it before, how I'm a Battlefield fan, and 2042 has let me down a little bit. Whenever I've been getting off work, I might play it for an hour or two. It still is pretty fun. I've been playing Forza Horizon 5. That game is awesome. I've got a wide body Hellcat on there. That's kind of my drift car right now. It's pretty sick. I've got an STI, that's my rally car on there. Obviously a whole bunch of other cars, but those are my two main ones that I like to just go cruise with. I wish I had more time for gaming like I used to, but I'm having a hard time keeping that retention in gaming. I can play for like an hour or two and then I'm like, I gotta do something else. What's up, dog? You gonna chase me down? You don't want the smoke, boy. I am gonna head home. I've got to get ready for work. Y'all don't have to be afraid to let me know your opinion on camera, what bike I should be on. Don't be afraid to leave me a comment. And that's about that. So this adventure tire really spins in the gravel. Once I hop on top of this levee here, you can see all across Kansas, straight to Colorado. No, I'm just kidding. Almost, but not quite. Like I said, this rear tire, it's an adventure tire and it likes to spin on gravel. Ain't exactly what it's made for. Hell yeah. Hopefully next video that I can go out and record, I'll be with the boys and bring some that content back. I really need to get a schedule in order of how I do things, but I don't. I kind of do things spontaneous. I've always been a spontaneous person. But as always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a fat thumbs up. That really helps me out. Helps me out with the YouTube algorithm, and it helps me out knowing what you guys want to see, which ultimately helps us all grow. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And until next time, peace.